So, what is the modular design mode? So let me show you. This is Marvelous Designer 7, or you can also use 7.5. 7 and 7.5 will cover it. Now, the first thing we're going to do is go over to the button here, and we're going to go down to modular. And these are the different modes, but modular is the one we're going to be working with today. All right, so this is the layout generally for the modular mode. You have your 2D window here. You're going to have your 3D window in the center. You're going to have the modular configurator, and you're also going to have the modular template preset area. Also over here, you're going to have your library. And if you click that button, if you don't see it, you can just click it to open it up. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and select avatar, and I'm going to select the female B version 3 version. You can pick any one you want. Great, perfect. All right, so now that we have our avatar, the next thing we want to do is go ahead and change the pose of our avatar. So click on pose, female B. We're going to select the pose with the arms down to the side. This pose particularly is the one that Marvelous Designer's built-in patterns fit best with. So we're going to pick this one first. All right, great. So the next thing that we want to do is go ahead and go over to the modular configurator up here. We're going to double click on jackets, and then we're going to go down to double, and that's going to be here. Double click. And next thing we want to do, as you can see, we have the different garments here, but let me show you the cages in which the pattern will actually be. So these are the cages, and this is basically where your pattern will be. And we'll go into that in more detail. But if we go up to the top here, this is the modular template presets. This is where generally your cages will come from. So again, I'll show you that in more detail, but for now, we're going to go ahead and add some garments to this that are already built into Marvelous Designer. Let's double click on the first one here. That's the front piece. Depending on your system, it may take a little longer. As you can see, there's the pattern, and there's the pattern there. Let's double click on the back. There you go. You see the back there. And we're going to double click on the sleeve. Perfect. All right. So that doesn't look too bad. It's a nice looking jacket. All right. So as you can see, this is a block. I'm going to go ahead and just hit simulate. And depending on your system, it may take a little longer. But as you can see, everything is here and everything is working as it should be. All right, so what we want to do now, I'm going to go ahead and hit simulate to go ahead and turn the simulate option off on this particular garment up top. All right, great. All right, so let's go ahead and select a different garment. Double click here. As you can see, the front of the garment changed to a different design, with the back still being the original one that we selected. Let's select a different back. Perfect. And you also have, of course, the sleeves that we can select as well. And we'll just go ahead and let that load up. Good, almost done. Good. All right, it's not looking too bad. All right. Nice. Having in the modular option is a really nice option. Let's go ahead and select a different sleeve just to get another sense of how this works. And of course, you can feel free to just simply choose anything you want if you want to just play around. Of course, there's other options there to choose from, not just jackets, but t-shirts and whatnot. So you can definitely play around with that as well. All right, perfect. So in our next video, our goal here is to really lay down the foundations of building a block what we're going to do is create a very basic t-shirt, nothing over the top. We're going to put it in place around the avatar. We're going to sew it together. And then we're going to create the block using the cages with a simple template from the block editor. And I hope that this will give you a good sense of how to use this tool. I'll see you guys in the next video.